Miller, the house is meeting a VIP from overseas. We're gonna make sure they pick you for chauffeur duty.
How do we do that?
First, we have to find out what the plan is. Here,
What's this?
short-range receiver. Visit these house meeting points, tap in, then move on.
Got it. Which one of those surveillance points should I hit first?
Doesn't matter. Just hit them as fast as you can, then move on to the next one.
You sure Navarro's people are gonna be there?
They're there right now.
Okay, let's see if this works.
He'll land at the Rift VIP terminal. Make sure he gets picked up on time.
Of course. Who do you want driving him?
You pick, but get them vetted. Screw up, and the Collector will have our heads.
Better get out of here before I get spotted. I know where they're picking him up. Is that all you need?
It's a start, but no. Keep hitting those surveillance points.
Let's see if I can learn something useful.
The cars are on their way. There's no way we're losing the tech this time. Understood?
We'd still have the Koenigsegg if you would let me install a remote off switch like I said we should.
I'm not gonna learn much more here. Let's go.
Anything new?
The VIP's bringing another high-tech car with him.
Details.
Don't have anything else, but it's worth a lot to the house. To do. All right, let's tap in.
That girl who drove for Navarro last time, is she available? I think so. We'll keep her on backup, in case Plan A doesn't work out.
So I'm Plan B. Got it. I'm next in line for the VIP chauffeur spot.
Good. Who's first?
No clue.
Keep hitting those surveillance spots. If we find out, we might be able to cause them a little inconvenience.
Right. Time to listen in.
Kabashi-sama's in flight. Make sure everything is set up for him.
Of course. We'll treat him like royalty.
He's much more than that, Lena. He's the future. You understand?
Does the name Kabashi ring a bell?
Kabashi. Interesting.
Well, he's our house VIP. Let's see what we got here.
How do I address him? You don't. Kabashi likes his drivers quiet. And you say he's bringing us the upgraded chipset? It's none of your concern, Holtzman.
Holtzman. Good day, Mr. Kabashi.
You're not Holtzman. Where's Holtzman?
family emergency. I'm the backup.
Fine. Take me to this address and make it quick.
How fast do you want it?
Impress me. You Americans drive like maniacs!
First time in America, Mr. Kabashi?
Have I given you the impression I'm interested in conversation?
Just making small talk, sir.
Driverless cars can come soon enough. It's Kabashi. I'm on my way.
Should we bring in the car?
Not yet. That car's my life insurance right now.
Just tell us when.
I'll let you know when I'm at the safe house. You've gone quiet. It's an improvement.
I aim to please.
I can tell. You're not with the house. The house prefers its thugs to be dull and obedient. Who do you work for? An enemy of the collector, perhaps?
I don't work for anyone.
I don't believe you. Almost there. Keep it up.
Sure.
We're here. And in good time, too. Yes, I'm here. Tell the house they're clear to move the package. Say hello to your real masters for me. Tell them I shall see them soon.
I dropped out the VIP. He says hi, by the way.
What does that mean?
He knows I'm working against the house. My cover's about to be blown.
Damn it. We can't risk you on house jobs anymore. What did you find out?
That second car, they're taking it to a warehouse.
I don't care about that.
I do. I'm headed there right now.
Don't risk it.
My cover's still good for one last play. Gonna find out where that car's gonna be.
Don't do it, Miller. That's an order.
Yeah, not a fan of orders.
Who are you?
Kabashi gave us the go-ahead to move the car to the warehouse.
What? The collector wants it on display at the Rift VIP terminal for Fortune Valley Day. Yeah. But... you sure?
Problem.
So, tell me about the warehouse.
Damn it. Those assholes called the cops on me.
Dodge Challenger. Subject heading northbound through Google.
All units, 1 out of 13 is in pursuit. All available units, please respond.
Jesus, guys!
the car doesn't matter.
So you don't mind if my crew snatches it?
Go right ahead.
1 out of 35. Are you at the active suspect?
We do not have
I'll get you for that.
one link at 30. Although I'm unable to continue.
That never gets old.
Subject now northbound on Silver Block, Bellway.
Copy. Subject heading northbound.
Grab.
I found us a second car.
You did?
Call Ty and Matt. Tell them we gotta meet.
Where do you know?
Ditching some cops the house around me.
Let me guess. Navarro finally recognized you're driving like a maniac.
Something like that. Watch it! Ha! What a sight.
Cool. A car's taking too much punishment. Copy.
Subject now northbound on I-80.
Copy. Subject vehicle going northbound on I-80. What is your location of travel now?
Now heading northbound on I-18.
Copy. Subject 7 northbound on I-18.
Control, Adam 6, our unit is down. We're out of the pursuit.
Alright, copy.
Now heading eastbound from Silver Canyon.
Copy that.
We have call control, but they're still running.
See ya!
813, we're out of pursuit. Our car is done.
Copy.
Subject vehicle stopping. Lock them in. Subject is still mobile.
Copy. All units